never knows a Fantana have Dr. Teal's. Listen, you see that? Oh my god, that Fantana being that girl. Alright, I probably look homeless right now, but I never knows a Fantana have Dr. Teal's. Listen, you see the sweet almond oil what in this? Extremely good. Listen, I have one thing to say. You see, if you have a Fantana in your ear, no mind how my nails look. If you have one Fantana in your ear, any one of these with a sweet almond oil in it, buy it. I'm going to tell you, it's moisturizing. It smells good. I don't remember which one I bought in America. I think it was just the but the coconut oil one really good. Shea with a naturally good. I don't know about the cannabis and the hemp seed one and lavender with a really good. But anyone with sweet almond oil, yeah, you can't believe. Whoa. And I love sugar scrub. And look there, them have sugar scrub as well. No mind my shoes say dirty. Yeah, rain or fall. But them have sugar scrub as well. And the prices not that bad. Okay, so we're also trying to get some groceries today. So let's see what we can get. We're in Progressive and we're just gonna pick up a few things. So let's see what we can get.